Hello and welcome to our flipped classroom on converting units within measurement systems. You will need ThinkUp page 170 for this video. Please make sure you're writing down all information written in the video. Today we will convert units within measurement systems by using proportions, ratio tables, and unit rates. Unit rates are a comparison of two measurements in which one of the terms has a value of 1. Examples: $15 hourly wage, 55 miles per hour, 1 foot to 12 inches, 82 words per minute, 3 avocados for $1. Notice that all of those ratios and rates have a value of 1. Non-examples include 20 cupcakes for 10, 80 miles per 2 hours, half a foot is equal to 6 inches, and 4 pairs of socks is 16 inches. Those unit rates are not compared in terms of the value of 1. You will also need to reference your STAR materials in order to solve problems today. If you do not have this already in the front of your composition book, please ask your teacher to borrow one. Use proportions to convert units of measurement. Our first step is to determine the conversion factor between two units of measure. Write a proportion to represent the problem and multiply it by an equivalent of 1 to solve the problem. Example 1, 6 yards is equal to how many feet? If we look at our reference materials under length, we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Using WKU, our word ratio is yards over feet. Our known ratio is going to be 1 yard over 3 feet, which we got from the reference material. And our unknown ratio is 6 yards is equal to X amount of feet. In order to solve this proportion, we would need to multiply 1 over 3 by 6 over 6. This will determine how we get our missing part. Since we know that 1 times 6 is 6, then therefore 3 times 6 will give us 18. 6 yards is equal to 18 feet. Example 2, 1,200 centimeters is equal to how many meters? If we look at our reference materials, we realize that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Using WKU, our word ratio is going to be meters over centimeters. Our known ratio is from our reference materials. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. And our unknown ratio is going to be X meters is equal to 1,200 centimeters. We can solve this proportion by multiplying 100 by 12, which will give us 1,200. Since I'm multiplying 100 by 12, I'm going to also multiply 1 by 12, and that will give us 12. So we know that 1,200 centimeters is equal to 12 meters. Now let's do a couple of examples on our triad. Let's write and solve proportions to complete each measurement conversion. Here we have 15 pounds is equal to how many ounces? Using our reference materials, we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So let's set up our proportion. Our word ratio is pounds over ounces. Our known ratio is 1 over 16. And our unknown ratio is 15 over X. We know that 1 times 15 is going to give us 15, so therefore 16 times 15 is going to give us 240 ounces. Pause the video and try number 2 on your own. Welcome back. 43.5 cups is equal to how many fluid ounces? You will set up a proportion using your reference materials. Let's figure out how many cups are how many fluid ounces. 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. When we set up our proportion, it will be WKU. Our word ratio is going to be cups over fluid ounces. Our known ratio is going to be that 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. Our unknown ratio is that we have 43.5 cups, and we want to figure out how many fluid ounces is worth 43.5. So, in order to do this, we can look for a relationship within the ratio. I know that I can multiply 1 times 8 to get 8. So therefore, if I multiply 43.5 times 8, this will give me 348 fluid ounces. Now, for the rest of this lesson, you will complete numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Your teacher will work with you at the end to find out what the answers to those are. So again, you will work on these on your own, and this will be your exit ticket for today, and your teacher will work with you to make sure that you have set up your proportions and solve the problems appropriately. Have a great day.